Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Dodge Challenger RT 440 six-pack in beautiful plum crazy purple with a black bucket seat interior with a built 727 automatic transmission, a TorqueFlite. As far as the production numbers go on the 1970 Challenger RT, you had, with the 440 six-pack, you had 1,640 hardtops, 296 SEs, and 99 convertibles for a grand total of 2,035 440 six-pack 1970 Challenger RTs. So not that many. It's a pretty rare bird, no matter how you slice it. And this one I filmed at my local classic car collector auction in Palm Springs, California, where I'm going to call this one the mystery car because I'm not sure what happened, but the car did not sell, but it shows on the results sheet as a high bid of $45,000. So seems like there's a number missing there somewhere. Something, even boxing the numbers, doesn't come up with a number for it. So it doesn't add up what happened. I'm not sure what happened to it. But the owner's comments were a stunning and true, capital letters, 70 Challenger RT six-pack car in a world full of clones and tributes. It's very hard to find the real thing in a sea of imposters. Here's a chance at the real deal. Beautifully restored and numbers matching, 1970 Dodge Challenger RT original 440 six-pack, completely rebuilt and detailed. Performance cam and performance ignition upgrades, performance built 727 automatic transmission, fender tag in place. This car has the Mopar look. Owned by a long-time Mopar enthusiast and collector in Southern California. Factory spec plum crazy exterior, absolutely gorgeous. Original striped elite car. Stripe added to owner's desire. Like new black interior, factory console. And that was in his notes. And then on the vehicle itself, there was another picture that showed another paper where he mentioned a lot of the same similar stuff, except it mentions the TorqueFlite automatic transmission with upgraded performance stall converter and a Dana 60 410 rear axle performance package. There he says this car is being shown in its original color configuration, plum crazy exterior with black interior, rally instrument cluster, console, and high back bucket seats. This car is privately owned by a Mopar collector and enthusiast based in Southern California. Purchased in 2003 and then given a meticulous restoration over a 5.5-year period. Owner improvements include front disc brakes, TTI exhaust system, painless complete wiring system, white longitudinal stripe, MSD ignition system. So those are all the comments from the owner, and you see the car in the pictures in the video. And like I said, it only showed it going to $45,000 as the high bid. So it's a mystery to me. I'm not sure what happened to it. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day. A plum crazy 1970 Dodge Challenger RT 440 six-pack matching numbers car that's been ground up restored over a 5.5-year period. And is a Southern California car since at least 2003. It's a mystery as to what happened, why it only bid to $45,000. But I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.